In this video, I'll show you how to find the best exchange rate with Wise. Step 1. Use Wise's mid-market rate. Wise uses the mid-market exchange rate, which is the fairest and most transparent rate available. Avoid hidden markups commonly added by banks. Step 2. Check live rates on Wise before transferring. Before making a transfer or currency conversion, check the live exchange rates on Wise's websites or app to ensure you're getting the best deal. Step 3. Time your transfers smartly. Exchange rates fluctuate. Use Wise's rate alerts or monitor market trends and convert/send money when rates are favorable for you. Step 4. Avoid last-minute currency conversions. Separate your currency conversions from transfers when possible. Convert in advance to lock in a good rate rather than making instant conversions during a transfer. Step 5. Use Wise's multi-currency account. Hold balances in different currencies and convert between them at low costs when rates are best, instead of converting each time you send money. Step 6. Take advantage of Wise's currency converter tool. Use the currency converter tool on Wise's platform to compare rates and plan your transfers efficiently. Now I have some additional tips for you. You can set up rate notifications in Wise to get alerts for favorable exchange rates. You need to avoid currency conversions at airports or hotels where rates are often unfavorable. Compare Wise's rates with other providers occasionally, although Wise is typically the best converter.